The residence halls are very new, very clean, very nice. A lot of people get suite style rooms, which are 2-person to 1 room, and some nice perks to the residence halls are free laundry, and they even have an app so it'll tell you when your laundry is ready, so that's sweet. They have weekly housekeeping, so you don't have to worry about your bathroom.
There's such a variety of food options on and off campus. You can get anything from Chick-fil-A and Pizza Hut to crawfish etouffee and jambalaya. The meal plan is actually included in your room, so you're never going hungry when you live on campus. When there's something going on campus, you never have to worry about how you're going to get there because you're literally steps away. You can just walk. If I pull a late night studying or writing a paper, I can take those few extra minutes to sleep in because my class is 10 minutes away.
We have an amazing opportunity for our first year students where they can live in the residence halls and be a part of a living learning community. So these are small communities where students can make friends very quickly with other students that they have a lot in common with. For example, students who like the arts, they can live in Gateway to the Arts, and then they take classes together.
Building relationships has been just as easy as inviting people to go out to eat in the dining hall or inviting someone to study together in the library or the community room.